Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into Marathon Digital, ticker MARA, and why a lot of investors are paying attention to it right now. Marathon has positioned itself as one of the biggest Bitcoin miners in the world. They currently hold over 52,000 Bitcoin, making them the second largest public company Bitcoin treasury, behind only MicroStrategy. At today's Bitcoin price, that stack alone is worth billions, and it's almost equal to the company's entire market cap. That means if you buy the stock, you're basically getting the operating business on top of the treasury almost for free. On the mining side, Marathon is scaling aggressively. Their energized hash rate is around 59 exahash per second, and management is targeting 75 by the end of the year. That matters because after the April 2024 halving, only the largest and most efficient miners can stay profitable. Marathon's fleet efficiency has improved from about 25 joules per terahash last year to just over 18 now, which means their rigs are producing more Bitcoin per unit of energy. Power is the single biggest cost in this industry, and Marathon has been moving into owning its own infrastructure. They've acquired multiple data centers and even a wind farm in Texas, with hundreds of megawatts of potential capacity. Owning power like that stabilizes their operations and lowers long-term costs. Financially, they're strong. Last quarter, revenue grew 64% year-over-year to $238 million. Net income exploded to over $800 million. They've got more than $100 million in cash, plus that massive Bitcoin treasury. They're also earning millions in interest by lending out part of their holdings. And they're not just sticking to mining. Marathon is branching into high-performance computing and AI infrastructure, with a planned majority stake in Exaion, a European data center subsidiary of EDF. They're also building out energy load management technology for data centers. That's important because it creates new revenue streams beyond mining. Production has been steady too. In July, they mined around 700 Bitcoin, and in August, another 700, consistently growing their treasury each month, despite global competition. So here's the big picture. If Bitcoin continues to climb, Marathon's combination of a massive treasury and high operating leverage means the stock could really accelerate. Hitting 75 exahash by year-end will boost production further, and if the Exaion deal closes, it opens an entirely new growth path. Of course, there are risks. Bitcoin volatility, dilution from equity programs, and regulatory hurdles in Europe. But overall, Marathon gives you both direct exposure to Bitcoin through its treasury and leverage through mining and infrastructure growth, plus potential upside in AI and energy tech. That's why MARA is one of the most compelling Bitcoin-linked stocks right now. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more market deep dives, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on where Bitcoin and the miners are headed next.